In this video, we are going to determine the value of k in degrees. So we have our diagram, rather the figure, for which we are required to determine the value of k. So we can first label the vertices. We can call this one to be A, this to be B, this to be C, and then this one to be D. If you consider the big triangle, which is ABC, it means that we need to first fill in the angles here. So we can let this angle to be maybe M, then this one to be the L, implying that if we consider the triangle ABC, it means that if we sum up the angles, we should equate them to 180. This is what I'm meaning. I'm summing up the M plus 30, that is one angle from this corner. Then for this one, I have N plus the 28 degrees. Then the other angle, which is the 40 at the corner, 40 degrees, should be equal to 180 degrees. Then from here, if I sum this 30 plus 28, that is 58. Then 58 plus 40, that is 98. That means we are remaining with M plus the N plus the 98 equals to 180 degrees. Then we have our M plus the N, then plus the 98 degrees minus the 98 degrees equals to 180 degrees. Take away the 98 degrees. So if I make the difference, I'm getting our M plus the N being equal to 82 degrees. So it implies that if I sum the angle here, the M and N, I must be in position to get 82 degrees. So having got that, we can now consider the smaller triangle, which is the triangle CDB. So we are saying that consider the triangle CDB. What does it mean? If say we sum up the interior angles, we must equate to 180 degrees. So it means that we are going to sum up the angle M plus the angle N plus the angle which is supposed to be here. We can call it maybe X. So plus X should be equal to 180 degrees. But we know very well that the whole of this is equal to 82 degrees, implying that we substitute in here where there is M plus N, we substitute in 82 degrees, then plus the X equals to 180 degrees. So at this step, we need to correct like terms by taking this 82 degrees on the right hand side. So we are going to have 82 degrees minus the 82 degrees plus the X equals to 180 degrees. Take away 82 degrees. So on the left hand side, we shall remain with X alone being equal to 180 take away 82 degrees, we are getting 98 degrees. So this is now the value of X. Remember, they're asking for the value of K. So if now we consider at this point, remember this one would make a complete circle like the way I've drawn, and the angle there could be, the angle is 360, the complete revolution, implying that to get the value of K, simply we are going to add the X plus the K should give us the 360 degrees. We are doing this because as you look at this diagram, angle K is a reflex angle which is above 180. But you know very well that the value of X is 98, so we substitute in. So it means that we have the 98 degrees plus the K being equal to the 360 degrees. Let us now collect the terms. So we have 98 degrees minus the 98 degrees plus the K that we are looking for equals to 360 degrees. Take away the 98 degrees. On the left hand side, we are remaining with the K alone being equal to the 360 degrees. Take away the 98 degrees. So our value of K alone equals to the 262 degrees. We can now go ahead and conclude that therefore our value of K equals to 262 degrees. So now this becomes our correct answer, as the value or the angle of K, or the value or the size of the angle K is 262. So if this video has been of value to you, kindly subscribe to the channel Elo Ready to Mathematics channel for more videos. See you again next time. Goodbye.